my channel. If you're here, that means you're struggling with creating good content for your YouTube channel. Well, I'm here to help you out, so keep on watching. Let's get started with the video. There's not really a good way to put it for you to start making good videos. Just record what you do best. It could be eating. I've been seeing a lot of eating shows lately, or going out. Honestly, anything. A lot of people like to see, what other people got going on, so getting in people's business. So if you're comfortable with showing what you got going on and what you have going, you can start a vlog channel, or just do vlogging and put out 2 videos per week or something. And then as you go, maybe you'll find more topics to discuss instead of just recording random stuff. Or you could do reaction videos. A lot of YouTubers think that reaction videos are a lazy way for people to do a video, because you're just sitting there watching another person's video and reacting to it. In some way it is a lazy way to upload a video, but still, you're doing something. There's some people, there's weird people out there who just like watching other people watch something and react to it, or who just like to watch you eat and make all that chewing sound, where you buy stuff and you do a review on it, whether it's clothes. The most popular one is clothes and electronics. Anything really. You can just buy anything and then do your first reaction when you open it and how it works and all that stuff. I don't like doing that for the simple fact that you're promoting that company, whatever company that product is from. So unless they're paying you to open whatever it is and do a review on it, don't do it, because you're just giving them out free promotions. What else? Honestly, that is all, and you have to be constant with your videos, keep uploading and keep your audience engaged, which is something that I struggle with. I don't really upload that often. I'll probably upload once every 3 months, which is not good. You're supposed to upload at least twice a week so you can keep your audience, engaged and watching. And when you start doing that, you'll notice something. You'll notice your subscribers go up. You'll notice more reactions from viewers, whether it's comment or shares. You can also search up some topics, or you could do what other YouTubers do, which is do stupid challenges. Don't do stupid challenges. Be creative. Put out something that's from you, that's originally from you, which is hard, but just do what you do best. Do what you do on a daily basis. Don't go out of your way. Don't go out of your way just to make a video and upload it, and get views. Don't spend hella money just to buy an awesome camera, or spend money trying to go out just so you can have something to record. Don't do that. Just do the things you do on a daily basis. If you don't have something that you want to record or something, you take a break. Something will come up later on, and then you'll be able to record it. But yeah, that is all. Keep going. Be constant with your videos. Keep uploading whatever it is that you will be recording, and share your videos. I know for some people it's annoying when you send a video on Messenger, or when you share a video on your social media and people think that you're spamming them, but it's not. You're just doing self-promotion, self-promoting yourself. Send videos to your friends, and after that it's just a waiting game. You just wait. Not you sit there and wait. Obviously you keep making videos and uploading, and eventually your subscribers starts going like woo, they start going up. It might be a bumpy up, but you know it's gonna be going up. And also your viewer, which is more important. You can have 2 subscribers but have like millions of views on one video, or 2 videos, like million views on your videos. Like that's fine. You don't have to have millions of subscribers to have a successful YouTube channel, you know. You can have 2 subscribers and still make videos that produces like millions of views. That happens for some people, you know. Some YouTubers, you see their subscribers and it's like, oh, they got 10 subscribers, but you see their videos and they got like thousands of viewers watching them. Like some people just like to watch something and they forget to click subscribe, or they forget to share it, you know. And that's something that you have to let your viewers know when you make a video. You know, let them know, tell them to subscribe. It's free. Like you can subscribe for free. It's not something that you pay monthly to in order to subscribe. Like it's free. You just click and that's it. You're not paying to subscribe. It's free. Okay, Earthlings, I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you make something out of it and start making videos for yourself. Or if you were thinking about making videos, you know, I hope it motivates you and encourages you to start making videos. And that is all for this video today. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right below here or here, whichever one. It's right below. Hit subscribe, and if you have any comments, you know, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. I usually respond to all my comments. And yeah, that is all. Thanks guys for watching, and thank you again for those who are subscribed already, and thank you for those who are going to subscribe, like who are literally pressing the button right now. Thank you. Bye.